Take a ride in the 2019 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, power mirrors, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, OnStar communication system, cruise control, power outlets. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.